this one is a festive special, and I have someone really special on the show today. I've got Delhi stars Kunal Verma and Pooja Banerjee, and they're coming up with the first ever Durga Puja right here in Bombay. It's going to be a spectacular show, and of course, we were interested to create the most beautiful invites for their Durga Puja. So before we get into some serious conversation, I have the lovely couple Pooja and Kunal with me today. We'll be asking some fun questions and then we do some serious conversation. The first question is, who's likely to get thankfully?
लो, ये भी कोई क्वेश्चन होता है तो आंसर आपको तो पता होना चाहिए. मैं ही हूँगा ना. मैंने ऑलवेज लाइक रिटेन टू, अगर यहाँ से हमारा क्या है, दिल तक पहुँचना है तो पहले पेट पहुँचना पड़ता है, फिर उसके बाद में ऑफ कोर्स इट्स मी.
Out of the two of you, who's likely to sleep on a movie date night? Consolation.
Movie date night?
Always on any date.
Okay, maybe once it happened during COVID.
Because you only had once movie date.
एक बार हुआ था, वो भी सो गया.
Too busy shooting and then you get tired.
Maybe उस टाइम पे शायद tired था.
So between the two of you, who can really finish a full season on OTT? In one single shot. So between the two of you, who will forget important dates like anniversary? किसको याद है दोनों?
Of course, him.
No, ऐसा नहीं है.
Never remember.
Okay, fine, it's me, but ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत important dates है ना. एक हमारा क्या है ना, एक तो हमारी शादी की डेट है, फिर एक
मिनट, कोई भी डेट
एक रोका डेट है.
होता है.
अब मैं रोका भी याद रखूं, शादी भी याद. शादी में भूल गया था because मैं भूल जाता. मेरे बर्थडे के अलावा मुझे कुछ याद ही नहीं है. But yeah, it's me.
So, most important question now. Between the two of you, who came up with this wonderful idea of doing a Durga Puja right here in Bombay?
So I think it was me initially, but
For this, yeah.
Initially it was me because I wanted to do Durga Puja since my childhood. But last year when I took Kunal to Kolkata for showing him the Durga Puja for Kolkata, he got so excited, and it was both of our idea to get that Kolkata Durga Puja in Mumbai.
ऐसा नहीं कि लास्ट ईयर मैंने देखी, मैंने उससे भी पहले देखी, बट बहुत कम हॉपिंग की है. बट लास्ट ईयर एक्चुअली इतनी
showed the real
Puja. Yeah. It's like mesmerizing. It's beautiful. It's like I think it's one of a kind. Yeah.
So that is something.
So that is what we want to get that thing in Mumbai, so that Mumbai का उनको भी मजा है. गणपति तो है ही इतना amazing और vibrant festival.
Yes.
But we want that that this Durga Puja has to be special for Mumbaikar as well.
So that was an amazing question session, and
Yeah.
I won't reveal who really did the best. But anyways,
Because you're not carrying a hamper.
I'm not carrying the hamper, and this is not Karan's show.
Okay.
So, and you guys look radiant and beautiful as
Thank
always.
you.
So
ये मेरी शादी का कुत्ता है पहले का. मैंने शादी
even
का.
symbolic.
Yeah.
We are sitting and discussing on such an auspicious day.
Exactly.
So festive spirit is in the air, and you've got Durga Puja right across the corner. So what is Durga Puja for you?
Durga Puja for me, or any Bengali, I think, if you ask, is an emotion. Because we can't express it in words how the feeling is when we are nearing the occasion, and before a month, more than a month actually, there is a special kind of flower called Kash Phool, which appears, and it appears only and only before 1 month of Durga Puja, and it actually disappears after the
And this is in
Visarjan.
West Bengal.
Yeah, it is in West Bengal. So it's kind of white, long, furry flowers. So when it starts blooming, there's certain kind of breeze that starts coming in, and all over you can feel that the puja, the Ma is coming, and there is a fragrance in the air, and the color of the sky also changes. It becomes orangish sometimes. Even if you go near Ganga Ghat before puja, you can see a change in the wave types of the river.
The current is different.
Yeah.
All the
So
five senses
all
are
the
kind of
yes, all your जो पंचतंत्र से हम बने हैं, मतलब धरती, आकाश, वायु, फिर जल, सब कुछ एक माँ को जो है माँ के आगमन के लिए वो तैयार होते हैं उनको वेलकम करने के लिए। तो वो एक इमोशन है जो हम मतलब बयान नहीं कर सकते। तो आई एम गेटिंग गूज़बम्प्स। सो इट्स एक्चुअली अ वेरी इमोशनल फीलिंग to welcome Ma every year, and we wait for this throughout the year. So this I am very fortunate because ये माँ की सेवा करना नसीब वालों की नसीब में होता है। तो I am very fortunate and thankful to God because शायद उनकी इच्छा नहीं होती तो हम नहीं कर सकते। तो हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं और मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ। पहली बार मैं अपनी दुर्गा पूजा करने वाली हूँ, तो माँ को लाने के लिए बहुत एक्साइटेड।
It's a beautiful emotion and it's a beautiful festival, and then you bring in all that spirit right here. So I think it's a very good thing that you're doing. So when you're doing this entire beautiful festival, you bring in the food, the culture, of course the spiritual aspect of it. Festivities will be here. So the invitation that we created for this special occasion, this momentous occasion of yours. Would you like to talk about the whole design process?
Yes, definitely, because I remember we had a very long conversation over phone, and
it was a phone call.
Yeah.
I was driving, and
and we were thinking that what could possibly resemble the kind of art and culture and festivity that we are going to bring up through our invitation. So there were multiple choices given by him, and we were discussing and trying to make it better and better. And I think what the final result is, I can't expect anything better than this, because he created a temple of Durga Ma inside the box. So उससे बड़ा और क्या ही हो सकता है? And whoever have received the boxes till now are amazed, because invitation boxes बहुत तरह के खूबसूरत भी होते हैं, but this is something else. This is a symbolic box. I mean, I think anyone and everyone can make it a keep it in their mandir also. So it is something which people will never forget. So I'm really thankful to you, Puneet, to bring this amazing creation.
That's the whole idea, when we were creating, bringing the best of brocades
Yes.
from the box. We will print all the fabrics.
Yeah.
So we wanted people to cherish that box.
Yes.
So it's that emotion that you rightly said. We wanted that emotion to be with them for a much longer time, and they deserve that emotion. And of course, my next question was.
But before your next question, I want to tell you that जितना भी हमने तुमको brief किया, I don't think so कि पुनीत took, मतलब कुछ उसने references दिए हमको, और within like 3-4 भी मैं ज़्यादा बोल रहा हूँ, 2-3 ऑप्शन दिए और वो बेस्ट हो गया. So why I'm saying this here, because of course we are talking about him and his sensibility and his choice of and whatever a customer says, हम तो इसकी friend है, but after all we are also a customer. Anyway, so I want to say that कि this guy वो समझ जाता है कि उसको करना क्या है, और उसने ज़्यादा टाइम भी नहीं लगाया. So I'm praising you. So yeah,
And
because
all
you are both praising.
Yes.
That is what I'm telling you कि
Because
बहुत time नहीं लगा था.
actually I had seen his one creation which he had gifted you, where he had given you a frame with the meaning written of your name. So I found it so creative, because sometimes you give them, give anyone.
And it's still with me.
Yeah, it is still there. So I felt when we were thinking about this invitation, I insisted that we need only him, because I don't think I can expect anyone else to. Maybe there are more people who I don't know, but I knew that this guy can get what I'm looking for, and he exactly did that.
Such way.
My expectations
And I think it's
were more
also,
than that.
and also
the way that you're talking about was so many years back.
Yes, but I
So
remember
it's-
because it was such a beautiful thing that we preserved it forever. It's a thought that matters.
it is.
and we are like connected, and because of Ma also,
Yes.
उन्होंने मिला दिया, फोन कर दिया, तुमने समझ भी लिया, और तुमने इतनी अच्छी चीज हमको दी है कि जब वो आया ना मेरे पास, that box when I saw, because I think मुझसे ज़्यादा ये माँ से बहुत ज़्यादा क्लोज है, लेकिन मैं भी इमोशनल हूँ. तो जब मैंने उसको देखा ना, वाह ये क्या किया कि उसने वो जो तुमने वो आर्ट वर्क है, उनके पैरों के निशान, हमें पैरों पे चलना,
कि वो आ रही है, माँ is coming.
So
And
this
it's
was like
for people to know that माँ
so तुम्हारी उसने अंदर से वो मतलब समझ लिया और फिर उसको
exactly. और उसमें वो मंत्र भी लिखे हैं जो यहाँ देवी से
Yes.
तो वो एक आगमन का ही है. वो बॉक्स देख के कोई भी समझ जाएगा कि क्या होने वाला है.
और मैं दिल्ली में जितने भी पुनीत के क्लाइंट्स हैं
या
और
फ्रेंड्स है या जो भी है
उनको भी हम यही बोलेंगे कि of
क्योंकि
course
है तो ये दिल्ली से पर
he is just not a business guy but you know वो दिल से करता
He's
है
a
so we
creative
want him
person.
that कि इतने सारे कार्ड्स बनाए कि हमको बस थोड़ा सा टाइम दे देना कि हमारा जब भी कोई काम हो थोड़ा सा हो जाए जल्दी से but yeah you have done a fabulous job and God bless you.
Thank you for your kind words.
Yeah.
So, you guys have been distributing the invites, I'm sure you've been super busy, you've taken out time and we're recording this. So, how has your, how has the experience been for the guests जो आप जिनको invite कर रहे हो, उनका क्या first reaction था?
So that's what I'm saying. When they saw when I was talking about the puja, they were getting an idea. But when they saw the box, they knew the idea. This is
Yeah.
how it is. So when they opened and everyone's reaction was like, wow. And I'm not kidding. I have invited a lot of VIPs and a lot of celebrities, and everyone have loved the box because nobody have expected when they opened it that they will see something like
And I
that.
think the idea is to actually make them feel what you're actually going to do.
Yes.
So, that little box is just a symbol of what they can actually expect
Yes.
at the
Yes.
event,
Right.
the vastness of the scale of the
That's
event.
exactly what we
And,
were looking at. Yeah.
Sure.
so, before we wrap this up, anything you would like to tell our viewers?
I already said मैंने तो मैं बोल दिया कि
अब पूजा के बारे में यही बोलना चाहूँगी कि आप कहीं से भी दिल्ली से मुंबई से कलकत्ता से आई थिंक थोड़ा सा टाइम निकाल के इफ यू आर मुंबई देन फॉर श्योर इवन इफ यू आर नॉट फ्रॉम मुंबई आई थिंक इफ यू कैन मेक सम टाइम इट विल बी ग्रेट फॉर अस एंड वी आर हियर टू वेलकम यू विद आवर ओपन आर्म्स बिकॉज़ वी हैव done a lot of hard work.
We are still doing hard work.
Yeah, our entire year of efforts we have put, and it's not only both of us. We both are the faces, but there is a big big team of people with us
Yeah.
who have been working really relentlessly hard work they are putting in. So to deliver you the essence of Kolkata's Durga Puja here in Mumbai. So I request everyone, please do come and visit and please seek the blessings of Durga Ma. Thank you.
Thank you. Joy Mother.
Jai Ma Durga.
Jai Mata. So, she rightly said it really takes a village to have this entire thing,
Yes.
come to life. And we would request all of you to come, be here in Mumbai, spend a day with them, see what they have done, their beautiful, wonderful creation, experience Calcutta right.
And dates, please mention the dates. वो पूछेंगे
It's
dates.
8th to 13th October.
2024. Joy Mother.
So we hope you enjoy the festival, and for more such creative content and real inspiring stories, do shower your love. Signing out.
Please, yeah, subscribe, love,
Like.
and please share the channel among all your friends and family. Thank you.
Thank you.